Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to decorate pumpkin for this Halloween season. First I seal the pumpkin using black gesso by DecoArt. You can also try with a clear craft sealer, or if you don't have any of this product, you can go with regular acrylics or spray paint. You can choose the color of the background according to your wish. For this painting, I use acrylic colors from DecoArt, Alizarin Crimson, Red, Cadmium Yellow, Burnt Umber, Sap Green and White. I have mentioned all the material details with color code in the description box below. Once the gesso is fully dry, I mark the design using white chalk pencil. It's just the placement of flowers and leaves. Next, I give a base color for the flowers and leaves. For the flowers, I am using Alizarin Crimson as the base color, and for the leaves, I use Sap Green as the base color. Start by painting the leaves. To paint the leaves, I use a flat brush of size ½ inch. Pick Sap Green to one end and Cadmium Yellow to the other end of the brush. Then blend it thoroughly. Then again pick a bit of white color and mix again. Once the colors have mixed thoroughly, start painting the leaves. If you wish to learn this painting technique in detail, I have courses available on Skillshare. I have given the link in the description box below. When I post videos, I get comments from my followers regarding the brush and paints I use. In general, I use almost all brands of acrylics and brushes. As a self-taught artist, from my experience, I can say this painting technique is possible with all paints and brushes. Understanding and practicing the method is the most important thing. Practice basics of the painting techniques, including how to load the colors, how to blend, how to achieve smooth gradients, and how to apply the method, etc. These are the few things to remember while start learning this painting style. I can suggest a few paints and brushes if it gives you confidence in trying out this painting style. Winston Newton brush is my all-time favorite. You can see that from my videos. This glass handle brush gives me so comfortable in painting. I have given a few brand details in the description box below. Please check that too. When coming to paints, you can use DecoArt, Pebeo, Liquitex, Folk-Art, etc. to paint this style. Every brand has a different consistency and varies in pigment. Understanding the texture of your paint is the first thing. Some colors are thick, so we need to use extra water or medium to thin. Some paints are good consistency so that we can paint directly from the bottle. I hope you will enjoy watching this painting process. If you have any queries regarding the painting process, please let me know in the comment section. I'm always happy to answer your questions. Painting is almost finished. The next step is to paint the stem. I used DecoArt metallic gold to finish the painting. I hope you enjoyed the painting process. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.